he knew I had nothing to do, well, nothing productive to do. So he asked me if I wanted to help out this marae, other community jobs that need to be done. And I had nothing better to do, so I just signed myself up for it. It's helpful to do something for someone because they need something done. They ask you, and yeah, it's helpful. You feel good for helping them out. You feel good looking at it, knowing that you helped do that. It's got me off the couch really, and I'm a lot more motivated. Yes, this has helped me to be more positive, just because I used to do bugger all with my days, and now I'm really doing some helpful stuff. I can see that people appreciate the things I do, and it feels good. It makes me feel positive.